Welcome to MTI TV. I'm Sam, and I'm joined remotely by our business manager for tile and installation systems, Brian Pistolka. Today we're talking about MAPEI Keraflex family of polymer modified mortars. Welcome, Brian. How are you?
Thanks, Sam. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well. So let's talk about Keraflex mortars, Brian. There are 4 mortars in the family, and they all feature something called high transfer technology. Can you tell us about that?
That's right, Sam. The Keraflex family consists of Keraflex Super, Keraflex Plus, Keraflex SG, and Keraflex RS. They are polymer modified and have a unique chemistry that plays a significant part in their high transfer technology. Keraflex mortars are formulated to have superior wet-out capabilities, which translates to improved transfer. These are smooth, creamy mortars that are incredibly easy to apply and have a high rate of coverage.
Whoa. So when you say MAPEI's got you covered, we really mean it.
We do. In addition to having high transfer technology and being easy to mix, extra creamy and easy to trowel, these mortars also have incredibly tenacious bond strengths with outstanding non-sag and non-slump performance. They work well with edge leveling clips, and they are great for interior or exterior installations, for wet and dry environments, and for commercial and residential uses.
Will you walk us through the unique features and benefits of each of these mortars?
Sure. Let's start with Keraflex Super, our premium mortar. We like to say that Super gives you a fatigue-free floor.
Or wall.
Or wall. Keraflex Super has all the features and benefits of the rest of the Keraflex family. It is extra creamy and easy to trowel. It is non-sag, non-slump, and it can be used with edge leveling clips. But Super also has features unique to itself. It offers superior adhesion. It can be submerged in water features such as fountains and pools, and it can even be used in extreme freeze-thaw conditions. And Keraflex Super is verified as Red List free for the Living Building Challenge.
So Keraflex Super is Red List free verified. Are there any other mortars in the family that are Red List free?
Yes, Keraflex Plus and Keraflex RS are also verified as Red List free. Keraflex Plus is great for use with edge leveling clips as well as large and heavy tile. This non-sagging thin-set mortar offers excellent adhesion for wall installations, even when used with large and heavy tiles. And when it is installed on floors, this extra smooth mortar won't slump.
And it won't sag on walls.
It will not sag on walls. The family has a tenacious bond in common.
And it has high transfer technology?
That's exactly correct. The ease of spreading and the higher rate of coverage mean that not only will installers finish applications faster, they will use less material.
Huh, that's a win-win.
That's right, it is.
Very nice. Is there a rapid set version?
There is, Sam. The next mortar in the lineup is Keraflex RS. This is a fast-setting, thin-set mortar that has the smooth and creamy consistency common to the Keraflex family. It also features rapid set curing time. That means that tile set with Keraflex RS can be grouted within 3 to 4 hours.
Whoa, that's significantly faster than a traditional mortar installation.
Yes, and those are interior and exterior, commercial and residential installations. It also can be used in wet, but not submerged, environments, and it can be used with edge leveling clips. Our next mortar in the family is Keraflex SG. Is our standard grade version. It's also rated for most commercial, residential, interior, and exterior installations.
Thanks, Brian. You've given us a lot of information about MAPEI's Keraflex family of polymer modified mortars. Thanks for taking the time to walk us through the basics.
You're welcome, Sam. I encourage anyone who needs more information to call or drop by our redesigned website at www.mapei.us or www.mapei.ca.
That's right. The new website has several new features, including 11 product calculators to help you estimate the amount of product that you will need. There are also enhanced features, such as tools and download sections with all of our technical information in one place. And there's a new MTI section where you can register and track your trainings. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up icon and subscribe to our channel. And to make sure you don't miss the next episode, click the bell icon down below. Thanks again for watching this edition of MTI TV.